Good morning. Thank you for calling Milky House Restaurant. My name is Jan Desir Castro. How may I help you today?
Hi, I would like to book a table reservation.
I will be happy to assist you with your reservation. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Moses Arindain.
When would you like to book your reservation, Mr. Arendel?
Tomorrow, February 14 at 7 p.m.
A table for how many person, please?
A table for two.
Do you have any special request?
None.
Since it's Valentine's Day, tomorrow we offer special heart-shaped cake for only 200 pesos. Would you like to order one?
Yes, please reserve one cake for me.
I have your contact number, please.
That's 0922-111-2222.
May I also have your address, please?
Yes, that's Paltop, Angat, Bulacan.
How would you like to settle your bill tomorrow, mister?
I will pay in cash.
Alright, sir. Let me just verify if I got all the information correctly. I have reserved table for 2 tomorrow, February 14 at 7 evening. Also reserve one hearted cake that costs 200 pesos. This reservation will be under your name, Mr. Orendane. Your contact number is 0922112222 and your address is Paltok Angat, Bulacan.
That's correct.
Is there anything else that I may assist with you?
That would be all, thanks.
Thank you for having business with us. Have a nice day. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Willow's Restaurant. I am Gessler. I will be having to serve you. I will hold a reservation for you.
Yes,
Under what name, please?
Moses Arindain.
Papa Mr. Arendane. Wanna check our record? We have a pre we have prepared a nice table for you. This way, please. Will this be table alright, sir?
Yes, this would be perfect.
Allow me.
Thank you.
May I have for the table napkin, sir?
Yes, you may.
Excuse me, please. Excuse me, sir. May I serve your cold water?
Yes. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. I will walk to get your menu order. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. May I take your order?
Yes.
May I know if you have food restriction or allergies?
None. I would like to order bacon and cheese for appetizer.
Do you want to have something else?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I will back to your order. Here's your order, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Let me present your bill. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to my garden restaurant. I'm Moses Arindain. I will happy to serve you. Are we holding a reservation for you, sir?
Yes.
Under what name, please?
Then Mr. Castro.
Please, have your seat, sir. Mr. Castro, we have prepared a nice table for you. This way. In this table, we alright before.
Yes.
Allow me. Please have a seat. May I unfold your table napkin, sir?
Yes, you may.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I serve your cold water?
Yes. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our menu?
Thank you.
I will be back to get your order.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. May I know the order now?
Yes.
May I know if you have food, precision, or any?
Hi. I would like to order sushi.
Let me verify your order. Your order is sushi. Do you want to add something, sir?
Huh?
I will get back to prepare your order. Excuse me, sir. Let me present your food.
Thank you. Here.
Thank you for thank you for time our restaurant.
Thank you for calling room service. Good morning, this is Lester Castro. How may I help you? I would like to order breakfast. I take your order, sir. May I have your name and room number, please? Moise Arindain of room 101. Thank you for the information, Mister. We offer two types of breakfast. We have continental breakfast and American. Breakfast continental breakfast includes bread rolls, butter, jam, and coffee. American breakfast includes beef steak, egg, cereal, and meat. Which do you prefer? I would like to have the American breakfast. Alright, you will have American breakfast which includes beef steak, egg, cereal, and meat. How would you like your beef steak be prepared? Rare, medium rare, or well done? Well done. How about the egg? How would you like the egg be prepared? Boiled pouch or fried? Fried please, and the meat should be hot. Alright sir, may I repeat your order? You will have American style breakfast, which is include well done beef steak, fried egg, cereal, and half meat. Alright, Mr. Orindain. Your American breakfast will be delivered within 15 minutes at RM101. Thank you for your order. Have a nice day.